Good morning, everyone. Beautiful, beautiful London morning. How is everybody doing? All right. Well, I missed the move, so I did not take this trade. But we're looking for the next one, right? What do we have on Nasdaq? Let's see. We're pretty much ranging still. Yesterday was a ranging day. I wonder if we're going to break out from this area. Let me open up a new window. Super charts, and let's go to Russell. It's gonna be easier for me to navigate this way. All right. So basically the Russell is in the same area. Let's connect to paper trading. All right, much better. So what else do we have? We broke structure on Nasdaq to the downside, so the 5-minute can actually take us lower. So yeah, it could be good. What do we have for news? We have GDP. All right, 8:30. Nothing until then. Oh man, this move was, well, I feel the FOMO. I do feel the FOMO about that move. Dum, dum, dum. Is the stream going? Okay, it's going. Nice. Just checking if everything is fine. Okay, it's running. So this move, I missed it. So a little bit of FOMO there. It was beautiful. It actually took out a little bit of high there, but the EMAs were perfectly separated. The RSI was perfectly, everything was perfect. And we had the fair value gap once, twice actually. So we had 2 entries for this short and I missed both of them. But you know, what can I say? What can I say? It is what it is. I should start the session earlier. Maybe the Russell, maybe. But we still need to shift here. I don't know what's happening with the Russell. We have buy side. Where do we have it? Oh yeah, we have buy side at 85 still. Yesterday managed to break the 50s. Let's go higher time frame. Yeah, we have some buy side up there, definitely. So I'm gonna wait until we switch. And maybe, just maybe, I will take a trade. Nice. Market is about to open in about more than 1 minute. All right. Daily midnight open. Everything is fine. What else? NQ could be heading lower. This is the 5 minute. We just stepped into a 5 minute fair value gap here, so this can drop furthermore down. On the sell side, we see, what do we see? On the sell side, we have the 900s, 1 hour fair value gaps as well. So we have some juicy targets still. We definitely have some very, very juicy swing points on Nasdaq. So why not? We have a 15-minute fair value gap starting from the low 69.25. So I think it will go for it. Market is opened. So let's see. 69.25. They should dump it there, I think. Yeah, there you go. 69.25 should be taken out. It's easy. Should be easy. That's the 15-minute fair value gap. It should be heading down there, at least to 69.50. So there you go. All right, down to 67. So that was an interesting move, which of course gives me an idea if I want to go short or not. I don't know if this is just going to be one of those days or not. We did have, okay, so we swept the lows here. Are we going to continue higher? Let's just check the ES real quick. I'm not trading it, but just for a quick view of what it might want to do. Nothing really readable. All right, it's fine. The Russell may be starting to shift. This is not an entry for me. The entry which I missed was this one. So I do feel the FOMO on that trade. This was a beautiful textbook entry. Actually, this is one of the textbook entries. I should save this, to be honest. I'm gonna make a picture. I am going to make a screen capture. There. So this is a textbook entry that happened and I missed it. So text book entry 1. There. Had to save it. Had to save it. All right. The X12, good morning. And the first applause to you, my friend. Nice to see you. So, as you can see, this is one of the many reasons that I should start earlier, because this was the beautiful trade. If I would have made this trade, I wouldn't be making any trade in the London session. This was the perfect textbook entry that I can have. That's it. And it won't get any better than this. So whatever happens in the London session, it won't be any much better than this entry right there. So, and I missed it. I was still preparing myself for the stream. I was awake. I was in the kitchen doing stuff and everything, and this just happened. Boom. Crazy. Crazy. How is your morning, DS World? Same scenario happened on the Russell, by the way. I know it's gapped all the way, but it happened. So I think I have to make a decision to start my streams 1 hour earlier. That's something that I just have to make. I have to start the streams 1 hour earlier. There's no way around it. Trader Oracle, hey there. Good morning. And applause to everyone. Thank you for everyone who subscribed yesterday. We're around 950-ish subscribers. Guys, we're getting close to 1K. I am on the edge of losing the account. Yesterday was heavy loss. Emotions got me. Oh, dude, I know how that feels like. And hey, the X-Wealth, I don't know what kind of account you trade, what's your margin that you're left with, but hey, you should take it real slow. Zoltan, good morning. Jó reggelt. Jó reggelt, jó reggelt. So I don't know what your position size, but whatever you do, go with the smallest size, the X-Wealth. It will be very hard if you have only a small portion left from your margin. It will be hard to dig out yourself from the hole. I know that, but it's possible. It's possible if you go small and don't focus on the money. So this was the perfect entry here, guys. Again, if someone is just joining this, and I missed it, so I'm just gonna. How did they write it? Missed it? That's how they write it? Oh, I'm just gonna say FOMO. I'm gonna grab a emoji, and that's going to remind me this is going to remind me to get up earlier, you know. Anyway, so I think as from today, or sorry, from tomorrow, I'm going to start earlier because I don't want to miss this beautiful moves like this. I don't want to miss those moves because every now and then we have a beautiful move like this and it counts into the edge, because my edge, I actually tested it from the kill zone. So the whole London session kill zone was tested, and I cannot let myself, I mean, this is profit on the table, if not specifically money, but it's profit on the table, and I lost it. I mean, that's it. By the way, guys, let me update the 80% discount. I think it's still, Apex extended it. Yesterday evening came the email or something that they extended the the promotion. I know it sounds stupid because I always say this is the last day, but then an email comes sometime during, I mean, after the New York session that, okay, the promotion is extended. And I just sound stupid because they clearly stated that it's going to end yesterday, and now it's still on, I think. But you should check it out by registering, and you can find it out. The 83% BULENOX code is still valid, by the way. We have an 83% BULENOX code. 80% is still valid. And the best deal for the true cost, guys, it's really today and tomorrow at My Funded Futures. Just saying. But you have to use my link, because really that's the only way it works. No activation fee for the starter accounts. At least you register for one and you will get it. Alright, that was the commercial. For the Russell, if somebody is trading it, I know basically nobody is doing that, but I'm looking for some buy. So I'm bullish on Russell, pretty much. I'm pretty much bullish on the small cap companies, startups, and small companies. So I'm looking for some buy side all the way to 85 today, and even higher actually, all the way to the 100s. So I'm bullish on the Russell, looking for the charts to turn into my favor. Otherwise that's it. But let's look at the bullish side of Nasdaq. What can happen? Alright, I'm gonna delete this, not to cause me any more pain. We're hovering around the midnight level still. We're not far. We're only like 15 points away. We have some buy side. We have this beautiful high here, and as long as ES might want to fight for some more bullish movement here and take out the enterprise once more, it's part of the analysis, you know. The Starship Enterprise is part of the analysis. It's serious. So if ES wants to push all the way towards the enterprise, then of course Nasdaq is going to continue. But do we have, I'm not trading the ES, I just have to go through it to see what can it do. We have sell side at 53. Yeah, 53 is the next significant sell side at ES. I'm just gonna put a marker there just to see if it wants to take it out or not. Sell side liquidity, I'm gonna put it to the right. I'm gonna save as. I'm gonna save the template as sell side. Yes, overwrite. So sell side at 52.25. As for Nasdaq, so let's return to our favorite. We have a 1 hour fair value gap here. Let me show you. There. So we have a 1 hour fair value gap. We have a swing low at 63, which is also a great target. I'm gonna mark that out as well. If it wants to dip lower. So sell side liquidity is there. We have a fair value gap. We have relative equal lows on lower time frames from the 21st of February. And we have juicy fair value gaps even lower. So we do have targets, but the question is, do they want to squeeze? Because a lot of positions, I mean, look at these highs. I'm going to show you what I'm thinking of here. We have so we have a high here. We have a lower high. Almost. Well, come on, I can't grab it. And no way, dude. Okay, we have a lower high here. And so as you can see, we have lower highs. And what I'm suggesting here, what I'm saying here is we have quite a lot of liquidity lined up here. So I wouldn't be surprised if they would just, you know, squeeze some of the shorts and then push it all the way down. But is this going to be the case? Only God knows. But yeah, I don't know. So let's just wait for it. Because nobody knows that. But they can also just dump it from here. Like crazy. They can just go for like, oh, let's just dump it, you know, and they're just gonna dump it. Okay. I'm gonna have to check my trade copier. Let's see. Looking for some take profit levels. I'm just testing out this trade, if it works or not. This is one apex. Yeah. Somehow the trade copier had some issues, I think. But it should be fine now. Let me know what you guys are up to. Just like yesterday, massive manipulation and unclear. Yeah, it's definitely unclear. So I don't know what to make of all this. It's really hard to tell. For now, all I can say is that this price action is absolutely, how should I say, crazy. It's definitely interesting, for sure. It's definitely very, very, very interesting and manipulative. Manipulative, is that a thing? Anyway, I'm not in this trade. I closed it. I was having limit orders, but I'm not in the trade. But this is pretty much manipulative, absolutely, as you said it. I don't know what to make of it, but yeah. I don't know what the hell is going on with Apex. Again, it has some errors. The connection issue with Rhythmic is definitely a little bit off. Let me know if anybody's having connection issues with Apex. Good morning, FX and Trophy. Hey there. Don't forget to drop the likes, guys. I hope everybody's having a great morning. For now, it seems like we're having connection issues with the Rhythmic accounts again, which is interesting. What I might do is I'm going to disconnect my Apex. Okay, I disconnected it. Okay. Try to add it in a different way. Oh, look at that. It's going down. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, Russell is going down as well. So as we expected it, they're dumping it. They're dumping it like crazy. So get ready. Get ready for it. Hold on. Just hold on. Trying to establish a proper connection with the Apex accounts. They were having these issues with the Rhythmic, and they already stated out in an email that they were having trouble. So I don't know what could have been the problem there. I'm gonna have to check the Rhythmic Trader Pro. While we are waiting for an opportunity. Okay. Try to log in. Let's see if we can get some information. So hold on, hold on, hold on. Maybe now. There's always something going on with the rhythmic. Okay, Russell is also shifting down. Let me check the indicators. Are we getting something on the Russell? Maybe. Okay, we have it. Nice. Okay, so the connection is running okay with the rhythmic. That's a good news, I guess. Okay, so they are just dumping NQ right now. Still have to wait. And still waiting for the information. Let me know what you guys are up to. Are you guys looking for any kind of trades? Come on. Actually, I'm more likely looking for the Russell to shift, and then I can have a nice entry there. I'm going to leave that. I'm gonna leave that. All right, maybe we'll. Okay, now we have some connection with the apex, which is good. All right, so we have connection again. Finally, I can set up the copy trading. Okay, 1 apex and 2 apex, 1 multiplier. Okay, great. Great. Synchronized. Why is there a state error on the apex? That's interesting. Something is oh, there, it's working. It's working. All right, it's fine. It's working finally. Oh my god. It was crazy. It was crazy. All right, so now we can focus finally on trading. Finally, we can focus on trading. I hate when connection issues come up. And I just missed a trade, by the way. While I was having connection issues, I missed 2 trades. So yeah, we have some FOMO. We have some FOMO. So I'm going to focus on the Russell a little bit more. Maybe it still wants to do something. I don't know what. It can still go down and take out these lows. But yeah. Yeah. What is the thing that's going on right now? We have 4 of these. Can still go up. I'm gonna be checking this. All right. Yeah, we can have that one over there. But where can it go? If it starts to dump. Where can this one go? The 1 to 2 risk to reward should be down there. So it can be heading down on the 15-minute, for example, to take out these lows. Not sure though. Should be at 48. 48.8 maybe. Maybe. That's 48.8. I don't know. Uh, 56.5 actually. The stop. So I'm gonna go with 49. Modify it to 49. All right. Maybe not an ideal version, but that's the only one I have now. I feel price action has been much better today than, yeah, yesterday and Monday was, well, let's just say a little bit crazy. Well, today it can also go crazy, but at least now it should decide where it wants to go. Even if now it wants to turn around, it should decide. I don't even know what NQ wants at this point. We have some good targets to the downside here, but do they want to dump it? I guess nobody knows that. Let's just wait. We were talking about this. If we go to the 1 hour, we have some very nice targets on the downside on NQ. So anything can happen this morning, guys. Anything. Anything. Looks like the bottom. Having FOMO for Nasdaq was not able to. Yeah, I do have Bernard. I do have the FOMO. So what can I say? Huge FOMO actually. This one here I missed because I was in the kitchen, and this one I missed because Apex was having connection issues with Rhythmic again. So while I messed up, I was trying to reconnect. It just went back against me. And I can't trade like this. So I cannot trade with this kind of FOMO in my head. Guys, these two things this morning totally messed me up. So I'm unable to take a trade. And I actually exited from this trade. So I was in this trade, I closed it out. So this trade has been closed. I'm flat, I have no trades. Huge FOMO. Huge FOMO. It'll gonna a few points up, then down, then repeat. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I should wait for a New York session. I missed all of this because I was sleeping. Bernard, you and me are in the same position. This trade, I was awake, but I was preparing breakfast. And this is the #1 reason why I should be starting the stream earlier. And this is due to Apex. This, I messed it out. I missed this trade because of Apex. It's because of Apex Trader. I love them, but it's because of I'm not sure if it's their fault or Rhythmic Trader. I don't know, but I wasn't able to connect while price was hovering around this area still, and I said, okay, I can still get in. And by the time I got the connection back up, it was already gone. So it's a joke, guys. It's a joke. This morning, 2 beautiful trades went into the dumpster. I can't deal with this. I cannot. I'm unable to take a trade. Actually, I'm thinking to close the stream. Honestly, guys, I love everyone. I love you guys, and please subscribe. We're getting closer to the 1K. So I'm really, honestly, for the first time in like weeks ago, like weeks. I don't know when I felt this, like weeks. I feel like I just want to close the stream and do something else. I have no desire to trade after missing 2 trades like this. These 2 trades were textbook trades in my book. So in my book, these 2 were absolutely textbook entries. A+, these 2 shorts. And the first one, I get over it because it was like I don't stream at this time and I'm not really trading right after the kill zone. But this one, right here, this trade right here, this one, this is the trade right here. This trade, I missed it because Rhythmic connection issue. And Yeah, it's market. I'm not taking personally, but guys, it's this is something I just can't digest. When I see the setup, I was ready to take it. I was pushing the button, guys. I was pushing the button when it got here. I was pushing the market sell button. I usually go in with the limit, but when I saw this retracing into this area so fast, I have to, like, I was, come on, let's sell, 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 sell. And it was saying state error, rhythmic connection, blah, blah, blah. And I missed it. And it was actually a 1 to 2 risk to reward here. Beautiful, beautiful trade, beautiful trade. And right now, guys, the only thing that keeps me here is you guys. That not trading. The whole day is in the dumpster for me. In trading wise, absolutely, I threw it out to the dumpster. I can't concentrate. I can't focus. This is something I just can't get over with. I missed the long. I don't care. I couldn't care less if I missed the long position. I don't care about it anymore. Today is out to the dumpster. Maybe I should take a walk. This is harder for me to digest than 3 stop losses in a row. I would anytime go with 3 stop losses. So if someone would told me, okay, we can erase these trades and you're gonna get 3 stop losses, I would go with that. I would go with 3 stop losses anytime. Instead of missing these trades because of freaking rhythmic connection issue with Apex. As again, I said the first one. This was already hard for me to get over with. I took a screenshot from this trade, the first one, because all right, at least I take a screenshot that this is the one that I should be looking for. And it comes to my way again. And freaking rhythmic connection, guys. I feel so angry. I can't trade. I'm unable to trade. I can't focus. I can't. I can't. I won't be pulling the trigger. I'm not pushing the button. We can talk, but I'm not going to take any trades. I'm not taking. I don't care. I'm gonna say cover your ears, all right, please, everyone. I'm gonna count down from 5 to 0. Cover your ears, all right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cover your ears. Fuck this session. Fuck it. I'm not going to trade it. I'm not going to pull any trigger. That's it. I can't concentrate like this. My fucking rhythmic fucking connection issues. Fuck Rhythmic Trader with their fucking trading connection issues. Fuck them. That's it. Now it's over. You can now open your ears. That's it. I'm damaged emotionally. One more time, just say fuck them. That's it. I couldn't trade because there is no connection. This is a joke, guys. 21st century, 2024. Everything is supersonic technology and everything, and you can't put on a trade because it has connection issue, state error, connection, rhythmic, blah blah blah. It's not professional. It's unprofessional. Okay, now it's out of my system. I feel better, actually. I feel better. I feel much better. Hey, I feel much better that now that I said it out loud. I hope the children are away. I feel much better, guys. Really, I do. I actually do feel better. I'm not going to take trades in this session. We can hang along and talk about trade analysis and everything. Hold on. Let me just take a phone call. I'm sorry, I wasn't aware of what you guys were texting. Let me update myself. You know what? Since I trade with props, I always hear about issues and tech problems with Rhythmic and rarely with trade await. Oh yeah, that's why you chose. Yeah, BTC amazing. You have no. Yeah, I was on the phone. I'm sorry. Which is good if you speak. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Everything is totally messed up this morning, so everything is totally messed up in my brain, and I just can't trade like this. It's a hot mess. I'm unable to trade the way like this. So angry and frustrated, you cannot imagine. I think I should be walking away for the whole day. That would be the best idea. All right. What do we have? Oh man. Oh man. But I learned a lesson from this. Next time before I start to trade and to stream, I'm going to put on a 1 micro probe trade or some limit orders just to see if everything is connecting. So I learned from this lesson and I'm going to embrace it, and that's it. Where could NQ go right now? Look at this. Do we have some news, by the way, on Nasdaq? I mean, that relates to Nasdaq at least. 940. We have the 900s there. Is it gonna go further down? Who knows, right? Where does the Russell go? I wonder. Should it take out this low at 40? No, which is that? That is at 45. Maybe it can. Maybe. Still have some sell side there at 36. It can go. This was actually lunch hour low. Wow, that's interesting. So that's like a little bit further down the road, but it's still down there. It's still a nice low to be taken out. Of course, now it can turn around. Actually, back to the 50s. Okay, it's breaking some structure on the 1 minute. I'm not taking any trades, guys. I won't. I'm just narrating what's happening. Breaking some structure. Is it gonna close? Well, technically it closed almost above. It's not a clean break, but it's a break. So repricing a 3-minute fair value gap again. Russell is going back up again. Okay. So now it might be shifting structure, who knows? Especially if it wants to go down to the 37s. This can be a classic long entry, but have to be careful because this here is actually not a clean structure shift in my book. Got long at 950. Okay, hope for a development. Yeah, it can happen actually. The only thing I'm not gonna trade, so sorry everyone, but I'm not going to pull the trigger. Oh, hold on. Let me see. So as long as we have the swing low at 36 and the consequent encroachment then at 920, it's still not the best long opportunity if I would be trading this. So I think I'm definitely going to I would be waiting. I'm not taking trades. It's all messed up, but I would be waiting for a long, at least to take out well, at this level. It's like 20 points away, but yeah, who cares, right? Okay. So I wonder if it's gonna go down or not or anything. What I'm just observing right now. This is painful to watch. Painful to watch that I missed these trades. I missed this one. Were you here, Trade Oracle? I was cursing like crazy. You can rewind the stream if you want to. I was saying the F word like 10 times. Because Apex and Rhythmic were having connection issues again. By some weird reason, I don't know how that's possible. Again. I couldn't enter this trade, so I missed out this trade. Oops, sorry. This one, a textbook trade. And I missed out this trade, a textbook trade, because of connection issue. And after that, I also missed one on the Russell, but that was because I did not want to trade more. So actually, I missed out 3 trades, to be honest. The Russell trade was here. I didn't take that. So all of these trades were missed. I just don't want to be here, guys. I have no intention to trade. I have absolutely no intention to trade today after this. I'm so mad. I just can't. I can't take any more trades in this session. Maybe not even today. Yeah. So, the first one, as I said, I could get over it. But the second one, this one got me so mad. And because of that, I was so mad, I just missed the Russell trade as well. It was a textbook entry for me. But the Russell don't even matter. It messed up my whole day. My whole brain is fried out. So I think I'm just gonna close the whole stream, and I don't even know. I don't think I'm gonna trade today. This was a very bad start. I don't feel emotionally ready for the charts. I feel confused. I'm angry. I would, if I could, I would just hit something or crash or break something, to be honest. I'm so mad right now. It happens to all of us sometimes, but the only reason I'm behaving like so-called normal is because I'm here on the stream. Otherwise, I'm super mad. I'm super, super mad. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, it's sad, but what can I do? I cannot rage trade. I can't do that. So I just can't. I'm unable to. I have no intention to be here, guys. So sorry, everyone. I'm just gonna cut it here. I have no intention to be here. I love everyone. Please, if you still want to subscribe, like the stream. Have a good one, guys. And Rhythmic can fuck it. So fuck the whole session. Thank you so much, and see you guys. I don't know when. I just can't do this right now. I'm messed up totally. Fuck the whole Rhythmic.